Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Ifyajin for Ankara again on our happiness challenge day 12. On this day 12 of our happiness challenge, the goal is to exchange your TV time for family time. Exchange, swap your TV time for a family time, or encourage a neighbor to go for a walk instead of a TV time. That's hard. If you have your shows going, if you are addicted to your series of shows and programs that you can't miss, we are encouraging you to add more happiness and gratitudeness to your life, creating awareness in your life, encouraging you to move from where you are now to the next step in your life on this happiness challenge. 2, swap, exchange that program for something else. You can utilize this time to 1, affirm your goals, go for a walk, just sit for a moment and see where you are in life, clean your room, do your laundry, pack the boxes that you need to pack to actually help you to purge out or to catharsis some of the things that had clogged your mindset because you're so enraged and into the games and into the programs, and it has taken your life, because once you get up, you're going to sleep. It's taking over your life. Did you know that watching all these shows and watching all these programs, it's like actually lighting a cigarette for the first time? Yeah. It becomes so challenging and so addictive as you keep watching series upon series upon series upon series, that when you go to sleep, you actually thinking about what's going to happen in the next series, because you've devoted so much time into watching that show, making someone rich, while you are stuck in where you need to be or where you should be, because you've devoted all the time into that. Whenever you feel the urge to watch that show, I encourage you to turn that TV off, go to your room, take a walk, plan a neighborhood walk, do something to help you lead it in your lifestyle in this particular 12th day of our happiness challenge. You can actually use this time to invest in reaching one of your family goals, whatever that may be. I don't know what it is, but on this gratitude happiness challenge, day 12, swap that TV time for something more meaningful. This is Ifyajin for Ankara. I'll see you on day 13. Thank you.